Right, we have some breaking news coming in. Maharashtra cabinet expansion today. Fadnavis Sarkar takes shape. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis arrives in Nagpur. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar also arrives in Nagpur. Mahayuti cabinet to be sworn in at 4 p.m. and Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has arrived in Nagpur along with Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. Ritvik Balekar is live with us on the broadcast for more on this. Ritvik, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has arrived in Nagpur ahead of the oath ceremony that's to take place at 4 p.m. What more can you tell us? What can we expect? The faces, the big faces.
Absolutely. Just a while ago, CM Devendra Fadnavis has received a grand welcome with huge celebrations in his hometown, and which will be followed by oath-taking ceremony and cabinet expansion today evening at 4 p.m. at Raj Bhavan. So many of the MLAs which were expecting to be getting inducted in the cabinet expansion have also started reaching Nagpur, and they are getting calls from their respective party leaders. So at 4 p.m. we'll be looking at who all new faces will be inducted from each of the three constituent parties of Mahayuti. But what we are hearing is BJP is trying to strike a balance between the senior leaders and new faces, because many of the new faces are also given chance, be it Meghna Bodikar, Shivendra Raje Bhosle, Nitesh Rane and Ashish Shelar, who is also BCCI secretary. We are getting to know that they will be inducted in the cabinet expansion today, and they will be swearing in. But at the same time, we could see right in Nagpur outside airport, huge celebrations from the Nagpurkars for the welcoming of Devendra Fadnavis. A rally will be taken out today, which will be followed with the Ladli Behens receiving Devendra Fadnavis, and he will be also welcomed by Union Minister Nitin Gadkari. So a big day in Nagpur today. There will be a hectic day, and it will be followed by much awaited swearing in ceremony and cabinet expansion.
A big day indeed in Nagpur. At 4 p.m. the Mahayuti cabinet expansion will take place. Thanks for bringing us all those details, Ritvik. Now, the cabinet expansion of the new BJP-led Maharashtra government is all set to take place in Nagpur today. Several new faces are expected to be inducted into the Council of Ministers. The state legislature's winter session will begin in Nagpur on December 16th. Sources say that 30 to 32 ministers may take oath today. Sources tell India Today that around only 3 MLAs from the BJP are likely to take oath as ministers today, while Shiv Sena will have 10 to 13 of its MLAs sworn in into the cabinet. Around 10 leaders from Ajit Pawar's NCP are also expected to take oath today.
सबसे पहले तो पार्टी का मैं बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। हमारा शीर्ष नेतृत्व है, दिल्ली में अमित भाई है, माननीय नड्डा जी है, उनका भी मैं बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। यंगस्टर भी आगे आने चाहिए, अगली पीढ़ी भी हमारी आगे आनी चाहिए। उनको 2 टर्म हुए, 3 टर्म हुए, ऐसे भी लोग हैं, उनको भी आगे आना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमें आगे भी पार्टी को ले जाना है। तो इसीलिए मुझे लगता है ये बराबर जो कॉम्बिनेशन रखा गया है वो बहुत अच्छा रखा गया है, इसलिए थोड़ी देरी हुई, लेकिन मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि तीनों पार्टियों ने नए लोगों को भी मौका दिया है।
शिवसेना में सबसे यंग एमएलए के तौर पे अगर मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दी जाएगी तो ज़रूर इस मिनिस्ट्री के माध्यम से महाराष्ट्र की सेवा, और ख़ास करके मेरे जिस रीजन से मैं आता हूँ, कोंकण रीजन की सेवा करने का जो मौका मिलेगा, मैं उसके लिए ज़रूर शिंदे साहब का मैं शुक्रगुजार रहूँगा।